Today is our last full class before the check-ins start. So tomorrow we take the reading check-in. Then Friday we take the more important check-in. I'm not sure how long we'll actually end up class time and all that for tomorrow. So might be your last chance to get a little bit of practice. We probably should have a little bit of time at least though tomorrow. Anyhow, a couple things I wanted to go over. Working backwards on a shape. So triangle has an area of 15 square inches. The height is 6 inches. What is the base of the triangle? So basically, as I said, it's working backwards. Area for a triangle, what's the formula? Base times height divided by 2. All right, so more so, if I rewrite that the other way, we got base times height divided by 2 equals our area. We're going to go backwards. So we're going to start from here, kind of work our way this way. In math, if you go backwards, you're doing the opposite. Okay? So if I start with the area, now this time I'm going to put it left to right because that's just how things work. So if I start with our area was 15, we're going opposite. We've got divided by 2. Opposite of divided by 2, times 2. I'm going to put an equal sign each time just so we can see the steps. So 15 times 2 gives us 30. Height is 6 inches. It was times the height. So what's the opposite? Dividing. So we're going to divide by the height. We divide by 6. And that gives us 5. That's the base. And it's something that's pretty easy to check. You have the height. Once you check your base, see if it gives you that area. 5 times 6 divided by 2 is 15. Okay? Any questions on that? We did on our test in class that one motorcycle where it had like kilometers and miles, right? And you were trying to figure out how many gallons of gas it needed. Odds are good you're going to see something where you have to compare two things. This case, we've got inches and centimeters. Alice is 52 inches tall. Beatrice is 125 centimeters tall. Who is taller? To compare things, we need them to be the same height. Or not the same height, the same unit of measurement. Okay? Same unit. So what we do is we're going to take this and we're going to make that half of a proportion. The other thing we'll do then is we're going to take one of those units. Either the 52 inches or the 125 centimeters. What you would want to do is probably look at the answer choices. Or in the question, sometimes it'll ask like who's taller and by how many inches. If it says by how many inches, we want them both to be inches. If it says by how many centimeters, we want them both to be centimeters, okay? For right now, doesn't matter. So I'm going to use the 52 inches. Where does the 52 inches go then? On top, because it's got to match across. So we got 52 inches. We cross multiply. We divide, we get 130. And that's centimeters. So who's taller? Alice, yeah. By how many? 5. This one didn't ask for that part, but like I said, sometimes it asks that way. Okay? Not so bad, right? Could be heights, distances, weights. Go ahead, try this one. Al and Bo. Ella. Bo. In the case of Bo, let's see, we got our 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds. Which one did you change, Ella? You did Al? All right, so we'll do Al since that's what she had. All right, so when you're cross multiplying, you got 187 times 1, you divide by 2.2, and what's that give you? 85 kilograms. So that is Al's weight in kilograms. Based on that, Bo weighs more by 5 kilograms. If you did it the other way, you would take Bo's 90 kilograms, it would go on top. You would do 90 times 2.2. What's that, 198? And that would give you 198 pounds for Bo, which again, still puts him heavier. That's the way this should work. It should be the same, one being heavier either way. And in this case, it's by 11 pounds. Okay? Any questions? If you're comparing two things, you got to make them the same unit, though.